Hi there users, my name's Jason Patrick, introducing the new ELEK Cable Pro Web version 11.0 with 3 very major new features and 232 total improvements. If you didn't already know it, ELEK Cable Pro Web software is for low voltage electrical calculations and low voltage network design. It has over 50,000 protected devices and it complies with Australian, British, the USA, and IEC or international standards. To quickly get access to these calculators, visit elek.com/calculators and log in from there. Introducing the new NEC USA standard cable sizing calculator that fully complies with NFPA 70, the 2026 edition of that standard. All standard installations in accordance with Article 310 and special installations as per Appendix B.2 are covered. There are voltage drop calculations, overcurrent protected device, and earth conductor sizing. There are also temperature correction and multiple conductor adjustments, as well as terminal conductor limitation calculations. There are now more than 16,000 Eaton MCCB devices from the Power Defence series. You can access these devices from Protection Coordination Calculator or the Low Voltage Network Design Calculator. Simply select the manufacturer as Eaton and you'll be able to select all of these MCCB devices. And once you do, you'll be displayed with the device settings, and all of those device settings are fully adjustable as per the manufacturer. There is now an Excel add-in for NEC cable sizing. So this effectively means that you can perform hundreds or even thousands of cable sizing calculations within Excel. You simply need to add the ELEK add-in to your Excel, and you'll notice there is an ELEK tab at the top of Excel once you do that. And then you'll be provided with the template, and you'll be able to add unlimited rows to the template and to calculate lots and lots of cable sizing calculations very easily, including generating reports. To get the Excel add-in, simply open a cable sizing calculation, and under the cable sizing results, there is a button that says Excel add-in. Simply press that. You'll be redirected to a web page where you'll download a file, and there are instructions on how to add that into Microsoft Excel. If you haven't already done so, I recommend that you follow us on YouTube. Just search for ELEK software. There are heaps of free technical training videos on YouTube that are provided by us. I think that they're very, very useful for electrical calculations, cable sizing, and the like. Thank you for using ELEK Cable Pro Web software. We're very pleased to provide this excellent software to you. And if you haven't already done so, I highly recommend that you follow us then on YouTube. Just search for ELEK software. There are heaps of free training videos, technical training videos on YouTube that are provided by us, covering topics like cable sizing and other similar topics. Thank you so much for using ELEK Cable Pro Web, and we will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks.